Hi, my name is Kasey Leach, and for my cause, I've picked animal abuse. I picked this cause because I can relate to the animals that have been hurt, and I've witnessed my neighbor Chuck abuse his dog every day. Every day, I would see him and his fellow pet, Riley, outside in their front lawn. Most days, Chuck would give him a slap on the head or on the chest, but every once in a while, he would kick Riley all over his body. And Riley, just being the poor dog that he is, would never know what to do. All he knew what to do was to remain loyal, and that's exactly what he did. This is just one example of what's happening out there in the real world. Most cases of abuse are never reported, and most animal suffering goes unrecognized, unfortunately. In media reported animal cruelty cases, dogs, specifically pit bull type dogs, are the most common victims of animal cruelty. A whopping 64.5% involved dogs, 18% involved cats, 25% involved other animals. More than 50% of the fur in the US comes from China, where millions of dogs and cats are often bled to death and skinned alive for their fur. Chinese fur is often mislabeled, so if you wear any fur, there's no way of knowing whose skin you're in. Now, this is a fact. It's been estimated that there are 900 to 2,000 new cases every year of animal hoarding in the US, with 250,000 animals falling victim. Over 115 million animals, including mice, rats, dogs, cats, rabbits, monkeys, birds, and among others, are killed in laboratory experiments worldwide for chemical, drug, food, and cosmetics testing every year. Around 10,000 horses are brutally killed for horse meat in the United States. The exotic pet trade is a multi-billion-dollar industry in the US, and while some wild pets are bred in captivity, many are taken from their native habitats. These poor animals, these very poor animals, don't deserve the beating that owners give to them. All they want to do is love you. So I, myself, Kasey Leach, ask you to stop abusing your animals and to start treating them fairly, like they so rightfully deserve.